He's on it right now. That was a long piece. Long piece. Oh, what a save. What a save. You still got it. Oh, oops. Great save.
Come on!
Yeah, yeah.
Come on!
Bring it up.
Your turn! We're ready. I thought I got it, huh? Almost.
And he says, yes, I can. Nice ride.
What the fuck, man?
Do it up.
Nice! Yeah, do it! Oh, great ride, though. That's nice.
Is he down again?
That's how we end. He's down. Big fall.
You done yet?
Yeah, but he's already stopped. That's the best part.
2,000.
He's already stopped.
In the woods. He just went viral, dude.
Yeah, just don't try to break.
It's not slippery at all.
Ah, see? How did it work?
Did you kick the snow out of your piece? Okay.
Soaking wet now. We knew that would happen with some of these woodlands.
That's a tough place to restart. That was exceptionally nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's still up.
Oh boy.
Extremely tough.